Hi guys, so today I will be sharing how to make moist chocolate cupcake with whipped ganache frosting. And first thing we're going to do is to make the ganache because it takes time for this to set. So for the ganache, we need, this is 400 grams of dark baking chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate and 200 ml or 200 grams of thickened cream, whipping cream, or cream that is 35% milk fat. We're going to combine these two ingredients together and then we're going to melt this in the microwave for 1 minute first. So after a minute, this is what the chocolate and cream looks like. So if it doesn't fully melt, we can put it back in the microwave for another 40 seconds. So after 40 seconds, this is what it looks like. It is fully melted now. Mix well. Make sure that there's no more chunks of chocolate. Now we're going to cover this with cling wrap. Make sure that the cling wrap is touching the chocolate. And then we're going to let this sit at room temperature for about 3 hours. Now preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius. This is 3/4 cup of milk and this is 3/4 tablespoon of vinegar. So mix the two ingredients together and set this aside for at least 5 minutes. So we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of instant coffee, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder. We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3/4 teaspoon of buttermilk that we just made before, half a cup of oil, and this is still empty. We're going to need 1 cup of hot water. So to begin, we're going to combine the flour, the baking powder, baking soda, salt, and the Dutch processed cocoa powder. Give this a mix. And now we will sift this. So using a whisk, add and mix the sugar with the flour mixture. Now add the buttermilk, the eggs, the oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then using a whisk, mix the ingredients together until it is combined. At this point, I'm going to change into a spatula so I can go in deeper in the bowl. At this point, we're going to add the hot boiling water. Oh, before I forget, we need to add the instant coffee as well. There you go. Mix until everything is well combined. And this is now ready. So I have a cupcake pan lined with cupcake liner. So fill each hole about 3/4 of the way full. This will rise beautifully. And then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 160 to 165 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 28 minutes, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle of the cupcake and the skewer comes out clean. And this is what the cupcake looks like after baking. Remove it immediately from the baking pan. Put it on a cooling rack. So all in all with this, I made about 18 cupcakes. Now let this cool down completely. At this point, as you can see, the top of the cupcake is really crusty. So I have a technique to do to make this soft. So I'm covering, once the cupcake cools down, I cover the top with cling wrap. For some reason, putting cling wrap on top of the cupcake softens the crusty bits of the cupcake, and the top becomes shiny and it looks very moist. So do this while you're waiting for the ganache. After about 2.5 to 3 hours, this ganache is ready. It has thickened up. We are now ready to use an electric handheld mixer to whip the ganache. So use an electric hand mixer to whip the ganache until it changes in color. The color will lighten up. That's when you know that it is ready. Make sure to scrape down the side of the bowl. We're almost done. I'm just going to give this about a minute of mixing, and then it's done. As you can see, the color has changed. It's lighter now. Now make sure to scrape down the side of the bowl. And then this is not ready to be piped yet. It will not hold its shape. So to do that, we're going to cover this with cling wrap again. And we will wait for this to set for about an hour to an hour and a half until you can pipe the ganache. So this takes about 1.5 hours to reach the piping consistency. I just leave this at room temperature, by the way. So I just let it set at room temperature. So this is our cupcake. Now pipe the ganache. I'm using Wilton 2D. You can pipe better than me. I'm really not good in piping. This ganache whipped icing or frosting is really good. Then just for decoration, I have sprinkle hearts. This is optional. And optional as well, I have some M&Ms, pink and red. I'm putting it in the top middle part of the cupcake. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. You will not be disappointed making this. It's really good. The cupcake is very light, airy, and moist. And it can last for about 3 to 4 days at room temperature. And just to show you what it looks like inside the cupcake. Let's cut the cupcake in half. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you continuously support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.